Welcome to our kitchen. I am Pat from Fresh 19. Today I will be cooking one of my favorite comfort foods, meatloaf, wrapped in bacon and coated with a spicy glaze. Let's start cooking. Start by browning the bacon in a heated skillet. When the bacon is cooked, remove all but 2 tablespoons of bacon grease. Add chopped onion to the skillet and cook until lightly brown. Add diced garlic to the cooked onions and cook about 2 minutes. Remove the onion and garlic and set aside in bowl 1. Mix these ingredients well. In bowl 2, add the ground meat, cooked bacon, and all the ingredients from bowl 1. Gently mix. Do not overmix the ground meat, as overmixing causes proteins to bind and can make the ground meat tough. Place the ground meat on a platter and form into a loaf. Place the pan in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for about 45 minutes. As the meatloaf cooks, let's prepare the spicy sauce topping. After 45 minutes, remove the meatloaf from the oven and baste the top and sides with the spicy sauce topping.
What's next?
Put it back in the oven. All right, now we got half an hour.
Half hour? Oh my God.
Yeah, well, meatloaf takes an hour to cook.
Wow.